Hi, this is Sarah from Star Smiles. Congratulations on just getting your braces. Today I'm going to go over the proper way to maintain your oral health now that you have braces. Step number one is going to be the brushing, okay? Obviously it's going to be a little harder now with the braces because they do accumulate more food. So the most important thing to remember is to always do circular motions when brushing. And you want to make sure you also angle your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle, and you still brush your biting surface and inside your teeth as well. Always make sure you go very close to the gum line because a lot of food tends to accumulate there. Another thing that's going to help clean your braces is a proxy brush. You can buy them at Walmart, Target, order them online. This is to help clean in between the brackets and the wire. So you're just gonna kind of do it right in here to remove any food that may be stuck there, things like that. Okay, the other step we're gonna talk about is the flossing, okay? Flossing now, we recommend at least one time a day, preferably at nighttime. So just know it's gonna take a while, so just take 10 minutes to go to the bathroom and know that you're gonna take a while there brushing and flossing. So the way you're gonna do it is you have this little piece of floss. It looks like a little needle. You tie a little piece of floss to it, and then I'll show you how to go in between each tooth. You're gonna push through and push in between the teeth, pull it out, move on to the next one, pull through, push in between, pull it out, move on to the next one, pull through, push in between, pull it out, move on to the next one. The next thing I'm going to talk about is emergency appointments with orthodontics. There aren't many, but it is something new in your mouth, so there are a few things to look out for. If a bracket were to break, we call a broken bracket any bracket that's not on the tooth. So if you feel it's wiggly, we consider it a broken bracket. So if a bracket is wiggly and you know you have an upcoming appointment, just give us a call and we'll be glad to fix it at the next appointment. The next thing to look out for too is poking wires. Once your teeth start straightening out, the wire may start to push back behind your molars. If you feel the wire is poking you back there, just give us a call. You can come in and we'll be glad to clip it. If it's on a weekend and we're not in the office, wax is gonna be your best friend. If there's like something poking you or bothering you, you're just gonna grab a piece of wax, roll it into a little ball, and you're gonna place it by the wire that's poking you to make that area nice and smooth. The last thing I'm gonna talk about is foods to avoid. There are gonna be 4 food categories that we need to avoid. First thing is hard food, okay? We can't bite into an apple now. We need to cut it into small pieces. We have to stay away from peanuts, hard crackers, Dorito chips, tostada chips, anything crunchy, anything hard, we want to stay away from. The reason is it can remove the bracket from the tooth and then cause the tooth to rotate in the wrong direction. As well as like nuts, it can rotate the wire in a way that we don't want it and bend it. And that's something that will delay your orthodontic treatment. Another food category that we want to talk about is sugary foods. Try to stay away from foods with a lot of sugar. We don't want to eat a lot of candy. We don't want to drink a lot of juices, things like that. The best thing you can drink throughout your orthodontic treatment is water, okay? Also sticky foods. We can't chew bubble gum now, caramel, things like that, because it can get stuck to your brackets and also delay treatment. Last thing we want to talk about is acidic foods. So foods with acids that tend to stain your teeth, for example, sodas, lemon juice, orange juice. Try to stay away from those until you're done with your orthodontic treatment. I'm not saying you can never have any of these things, like for example, like a piece of candy, a chocolate, or like a soda once in a while, but try to limit it as much as possible through the whole orthodontic treatment. The best thing you can drink is water. In conclusion, this is the best way to take care of your braces. I can't wait to see the results in a few months that you will get. Feel free to ask any of the assistants, any advice, as well as the doctor. We'll be glad to answer any questions or give the office a call. We look forward to seeing you at your next appointment.